everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. So today we have, which one are we going to do? Because I got a few boxes today. We're doing Topbox. I'm going to leave the stamp down, the timestamp down below. For those of you who don't want to hear, if you know all about Topbox. But for those of you who don't know about Topbox, this is a Canadian subscription. It is about $12 and change a month. We never know what we're going to get. There's never any spoilers. It's, you can be taking a gamble with your $12 because we never have spoilers. I always say Topbox is like a box of chocolates. You don't know what you're going to get, right? So, the one thing about Topbox that's pretty cool, though, is that they have something called a privé. For all you out there who's going to correct me. Privé box. And around the end of the month, the 25th, 26th, 27th, they'll send you an email asking you if you want to, hold on, yeah, lipstick check, if you want to switch out your regular box and get the privé box. And usually they'll give you between 6 and 8 options of what you can get. Now, you're not guaranteed that you're going to get that box, but you can, ask to switch out your regular box for that box. This month, there was a Smashbox concealer, there was some eye masks, there was some Rexall Pharmacy, like 4 items. I think there's 3 of those, Smashbox, some eye masks. I can't remember what the other options were, but a few months ago, they had wonderful options. And every now and then, they'll come out with like the Rexall options and stuff like that. So I believe I selected the Rexall, one of the Rexall boxes. I know there was 3. I don't remember what was in it though, because it was, so long ago. Usually the regular top box gets shipped out on the 15th of the month. If you get a privé box, well, it's what, the 9th? So we're getting it today, which I think is still really early. I don't think we usually get privé this early, but anyway, you don't get a tracking number. You'll get an email saying it was shipped. Same with regular top box, you don't get a tracking number. You just get an email saying it was shipped, I believe. Oh, and they do have a $10 beauty surprise, but they did not have it this month. And the $10 beauty surprises have been fabulous of late. It's been really good. Last month we got the Tarte Serum, which I don't know where I put it. I don't even know if I tried it. One time we got, It Cosmetics. I don't know if it was this one, the CC cream, or the other one, because one I got from Ipsy, a Fenty concealer. So, the $10 add-ons are been really freaking amazing since the beginning of this year, but they didn't have it for this month. Anyways, I'm going to stop rambling, show you what I got. And again, I know I picked a privé box, but I don't remember. Wow, this is taped to all high heavens. I don't remember what it was that I got. I don't even know how to open this box right now. I'm having issues here. I'm having issues. So I have 2 of these accounts. Like I said, it's $12 and change here in Canada. And it's only a Canadian box right now. It doesn't go to the States. And I have 2 accounts. So one account I picked a privé box, and the other account the regular box. And again, you don't know what you're getting. Like, you don't know. Sometimes a regular box can be, holy cow, I paid $12 for this. And sometimes inside that regular box, there could be, 1 or 2 samples of stuff that we've already gotten. You don't know if it's going to be full size or deluxe size. Mostly, at least 3 of the items are usually deluxe size. But again, we don't know. There's no spoilers. So always remember, if you're thinking about signing up to Topbox, or if you've already signed up for Topbox, always remember, there's no spoilers. It's $12. You're taking a gamble. But most times it's stuff, we mightn't get overly excited about it, but it is stuff that we usually will use most times. All right. So without further ado, the box, when you open it up, is like this. It's got all these little worms in here. Is there a card? Yes, there is. And I guess now I'm going to find out what exactly I got. Keep your eyes peeled for our emails regarding other beauty samples. And I got a privé box. All right, so the first thing in my, this is not the box I picked. It can't be, because I don't even like Burt's Bees. Anyway, I got a Burt's Bees lip treatment, which I heard these were pretty good though. So overnight intensive lip treatment. Because I know in one of the privé boxes there was like the Burt's Bees blush tint thingy. And I did a video, a review on those Burt Bees items way back. So, you know, if you want to go look at that video, you can. Anyway. Oh, this smells all right. I'm not too mad, actually, at Burt Bees lip treatment. I heard their lip treatment, I believe, was pretty good. If not mistaken, maybe their lipstick. So I'm happy about that because I have really, really, really dry lips. And this is overnight as well. So, and I like the smells. A little bit of a minty smell. This is full size, so that's great. And it's probably like 12 bucks at Shoppers Drug Mart on its own, right? Overnight intensive lip treatment from Burt's Bees. Came in a cute little package. So that's the first item. I'm going, did I select this? I see, I don't even remember what I selected. The next item in this box, this is a pretty damn good box for $12. The Bioderma. I'm happy. Holy cow. Bioderma Intensive Balm. Ultra Smoothing a Balm for dry, irritated, sensitive skin. Ah, that's me. Dry, irritated, sensitive. Always complaining, apparently. But yeah, I'm excited. I can't wait to try this out. And Bioderma, I know that's an expensive brand. And this is 45 mil. I don't know, is this full size? 45 mil, that's usually full size around there, right? So I'm excited, and I know this is pretty expensive. If I can get the price on that, I will put it here. The next thing we have is a bottle of shampoo and conditioner. Yay! And this is going to be perfect. Please tell me you're not busted open. You feel really slimy, but you're not. Hair shampoo unscented. It's got aloe vera, green tea, and Inca Inchi. And it's unscented, so there's no smell to it. I think I would have liked it scented. I like a scent. But some people don't like scents, you know, so maybe it's earth safe, so it's all natural, organic, so that's probably why. And this is the conditioner, which I'm excited to give this a try. That's awesome. And the last thing in here, oh my God, 12 bucks. I got this. What is this? It's the Dewy Setting Mist from e.l.f. for $12. This is a good box, everybody. I'm happy I picked it out. I don't remember, but I did. Wow. Oh my God, it smells like coconut. And I like the spritzer on it too. It's a nice spritzer. This is a really, really nice spritzer. This is full size. So again, I paid $12 for this. Let me just get some of that spritzer here. Makes your skin look dewy. Do I look dewy? Lipstick on my teeth, but you know, what else is new, right? Oh, I think I look dewy now. I am dewy. Right. Okay, so what do you all think? I am really happy, and it's coconut scented. I'm really happy with my Topbox. Thank you, Topbox. So this is the setting mist from e.l.f. Beautiful. We have the Bioderma moisturizer for dry, irritated to atopic, sensitive skin. I mean, yeah, that is me. It's a balm, an ultra soothing balm. And for the life of me, oh, I can't even read it. Apply once to twice a day to cleanse skin. May be used on newborns with the exception of premature babies. Wow. I'm gonna find out how much this is, and I also want to know, is this like a moisturizer? That's what I want to know. It says soothing balm, so I want to know how to use that. I gotta find that out. Okay, and then again we have the 2 bottles of shampoo, which is perfect. 60 ml travel size. Love, love, love it. I love that we can get conditioner. There's some boxes that just give you shampoo and no conditioner. What's up with that? And I'm very excited. I seen Burt's Bees and I panicked. Like I said, you need to go watch that video. But I'm very excited to get the Burt's Bees overnight lip treatment, and it smells kind of minty. I like it. Perfect. Let me know, everybody, what did you get? Did you get a pre-bay box? Are you like me and waiting for the regular box, which should be, you know, being shipped out on the 15th? Some people get it before the 15th. I don't know how it all works. I don't know how they do it down there, but some people get it before the 15th. Some people don't get shipped out until the 15th. I don't know. But anyways, hopefully you'll have it by the 18th, 19th, 20th. Whatever the date of the month is on the 15th is on a Wednesday. Yeah, I guess if you're in the west part of Canada, maybe you'll get it like the Monday after the Wednesday, hopefully. Anyways, let me know, what do you think? Do you get Topbox? Do you think it's worth the $12 a month? I really, really am digging the box this month. And I think mostly sometimes we got to remember, hey, you know what? It's $12. And there's no spoilers. So, again, it's always a gamble. That's it. Don't forget to like my video. Oh, and I have a live tonight at 7:30 tonight. I'll see you there. We'll figure out something to talk about. We always do. Bye. Love you.